In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to change currency on OKX wallet. This can be essential for optimizing security, fees, and access to diverse trading opportunities. To do this, simply head to your OKX wallet. On your home page, tap onto these dots to access your settings. On this other page, head to Preferences right here. You will want to select on Currency. Now as you can see, my wallet is in USD. To change to any other currency, simply scroll through your preferred currency. Once selected, it will change automatically. In case of security issues or outages on any single platform. This flexibility can enhance your overall trading experience and financial security. That's how easy it is to change to any currency on OKX wallet. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.